Are you part of a sports team? Would you like to hear a mindset switch to help you and your team to become more successful, to win more often? Well, stay tuned because that's what I'm covering today. Hi, I'm Bella O'Hara from Feel Great to Be Productive. I'm a motivational coach with 28 years experience, and I've helped local sports teams to become more successful together. Are you part of a sports team, a competitive sports team? Well, sometimes we feel like we're doing it all on our own, but remember, you're not. The great thing about this, the great mindset switch about this, is you've got a whole team around you. We love to feel part of something. Remember, you've got their backs, they've got your backs. You're going out there to win together. You are a team. You're going out there to win together, and the mindset switch is here that you've got each other's backs. Also, try and think of a way that you're going to celebrate your win. Have the confidence that you're going to win as a team together. And when you celebrate, how's it going to feel? What are you going to do? Make your plans for when you win. Try it. You're part of a team. Go out there and win. A great way to think of yourself as a team is to let me know in the comments what team you're part of. I'd love to know. I would love to have more sports related videos for you. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can pick them up in the future.